So you see that? I just wanted this to rest on this so it doesn't cut into it. So I'm gonna do that with the others, I hope, because I would hate for it to, you know, break off. Look at how beautiful she's doing. I pray that she makes it to full maturity, because it's the first time for me. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea if you have the same problem. I don't have a lattice or anything. I just put this little concoction together. Not concoction, however you say it. But anyway, I just put it together so that I can have a vine somewhere to go. And I don't know what's happening over here. You see that? Huh. I didn't pollinate that one, but for some reason, it did not do like the others. The one that I pollinated back there, I don't know if you can see it. Let's get closer. And it looks, I don't know. I hope it makes it through, but I don't know that. Is that a worm that I see there? Okay, let's make this bigger so I can see better. Okay, what is that? Am I seeing a worm? Oh dear Lord. It's very hard because this is way back there. Let's see. Huh. I don't know. In any case, I just wanted to share what I'm up to. See? Let me, whoops, bring this. See, this is what I'm up to. It's been raining cats and dog out here, so I was here this morning trying to put fertilizer on the grass. And then the slugs have been at it again. If anyone has any home remedy so that I can get rid of them without putting any chemicals in here, because that's really what I'm trying not to do, please, I welcome you to message me any tips you might have to get rid of them, because they're really this year devouring everything. Look at this. Look at this. Insane.